Okay, now what we've got the tub. I cleaned it out. It's a bunch of lime and stuff down there. I got the most of it out that I could. And this shaft is was all rusted and pitted. I put a little Vaseline on it, put the tub back on, and in the tub, the inner tub, I took some sandpaper and cleaned out those bearings. There's one there in the top that you can see. If you flip the tub over, there's another one on the bottom. So there's an area on the shaft down on the bottom there that it rides, and an area there that it rides. In between, it's kind of a little shallow cavity there that's pretty well pitted. And so anyway, I suspect what's happening is, if you remember these pieces that came out of the middle of the tub there, there's this piece here which has the notches in it and some grooves inside. Those grooves fit over the spline on that shaft. And then this other piece here, which screws to the bottom of the inner tub, has splines, the large splines that fit the large splines here. And this goes inside like so, and you'll notice when they're talking about floating on the internet, I think this is what they mean, is this piece here is supposed to float in and out of here, okay, up and down, and it engages. See, now if I turn this, the inner part doesn't turn, but if that tub floats up in the water, it engages those. And now when I turn this, the whole thing, inner and outer, turn. And so I think what's happening is, like I read on one of the blog posts on the internet, is that shaft gets rusted and corroded, and that tub will not slide up and down to release and engage for the agitation and the spin cycle. So when the control board back here on the front, the control board back in there, sees that this hasn't disengaged, it goes to an OL code. Now that isn't something I've read in black and white, but from the way I see things that go together here, that's what's happening. So now I'm going to put that tub back in. And we'll see. Oh, before I do that, there's one other thing I don't want to forget, is this piece here, which is the cover for the drain. Okay, so remember, there's a couple of little hex head screws there, 1/4 inch, that go in the cover. And then gets installed back down in here. We don't want to get the tub installed and not have these back in place. Oh, something's not lining up there. I did use some CLR, a calcium lime remover, in here, and did get a bunch of it out. Not all of it, but quite a bit. Well, water. Okay. So, got the cover back in for the filter. Now, see about putting that tub back in. Oh, the cap fell over. Okay, so we've got the tub sitting